Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this smooth Luma fade background on CapCut. So in here, you just need to prepare two clips like this. And after this here, you can just click on the first clip, the one with a person on it, and then here, click on paste. Now on the second clip in here, you can just go to remove background and do the auto removal. Just wait until the background is fully removed. Okay, after the background is removed, you can just move the second clip in here in between the clips and choose the position to how you like it to make the transitions. I'm going to put it in here, and now you can click on this clip, go to the chroma key, enable it first, and in here you can just select the color that you want to. Okay, for example like this, you can just add a keyframe on the chroma key. Now adjust the intensity to 100 like this. Now let's move the playhead to where you want the transitions to end, and in here decrease the intensity of the chroma key to 0. Okay, so after this, to have a smooth transition, you can just click or right click on this first keyframe, and then right click and click on show keyframe animations, and in here you can just click on the drop down and right click on the first keyframe in here and click on grab. So you can just choose the grab that you want. So I'm going to go with ease in 2. You can just now close it, and here you can just hide the keyframe animation again. Just right click and hide keyframe animations. Now click still on the second clip, go to animation and choose the fade in. Adjust the duration to how you like it, and you are done. You can just now trim the second effects. You can just select all 3 clips and choose to create a compound clip, and this is the final result. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.